Hi guys, this is Young Lee, and today I want to make a video about my sketchbook tour. I'm finished with my first sketchbook and I want to celebrate this with you guys because you are my valuable subscribers and also supporters. I am very grateful that I could continue my channel. I have stopped 2 times for making videos because somehow I lost the interest and I also didn't know about the conceptual idea, what I really want to do. So I have stopped 2 or 3 times, but since 2024, it was November. I think here you can see it was 2024 November 18th. I bought this sketchbook and the date finished is 28th of November this year. So it means it took just 10 days more than an year. So I thought it might be nice to look back together with you my portrait drawings in this book. I'm using Moleskine Sketchbook. Moleskine is actually a very well-known brand for the notebooks, and I didn't know that they also had a sketchbook, but I found it and I found the quality is really nice, very nice paper. It's I don't know how thick this paper is. I can't see here, but anyways, it's a very nice paper. It's very well made. So I'm very happy. The size is also perfect to me to make a video on the table. So I will continue, stay with the Moleskine sketchbook. I see here I have done my first drawing a day after. So 19th, it's my first drawing. And then I also wanted to make some old master copy, so I have started, but I couldn't finish them because it took so many hours and I couldn't have this time to make old master copy. And then I decided to make portrait drawing. It also made a lot of fun to me and I really enjoyed it. I'm still enjoying it a lot. And this was my skull anatomy study and the Loomis method study on the skull. And it's another study. Actually, at this time, I was also quite a beginner with Loomis method, but I could understand very quickly and I found it makes sense because from my side as a person who are educated in academic art field, everything made sense. So I studied deeper and while drawing on this sketchbook, I also learned more throughout all the theory and I could make a tutorial video about the Loomis method. With this girl, it was 18th of December, I have reached 500 subscribers and now I have more than 2,000 subscribers and I'm really grateful. I thank you very much for the support and I hope I could give you really useful information and through my channel I hope you can enjoy and also improve your drawings with me. And I really want to make really quality videos about the Loomis method, but not only about drawings in general. So please stay with me, and I appreciate all of your likes, comments, and sharing my videos, and also recommending my videos. With this book, I also made a new TikTok account, and with this drawing, it was skyrocketing, and I had really a lot of clicks and like and comments from this drawing. And I think with these two channels, the synergy effect is higher, and I could get more motivation to make better videos. And it was also meaningful to me because it was the last day of 2024. And then in January, I had some days New Year's break, and in 2025, the 5th of January was my first drawing in this year. It was a theme of the hands and face at the same time. It was Demi Moore, and she got the Oscar 2025. It was the theme of hands, hand anatomy, and something comic, funny faces I wanted, and always a different theme I wanted to add. I tried to add, like here, make some part of drawing more abstract. And the body anatomy is coming. I thought maybe this book I want to fill with only portrait. About the clothing, I also studied by myself, and I also wanted to add different ethnic, and this was like some time-lapse sketch, some celebrities with ages, and different ethnic again. And I always wanted to finish the drawing properly to show you how it should look like when it's really properly done and accomplished. I think I should add more kids and animals to introduce you how different they are. And sometimes I didn't like the process, so I stopped. Then I continued it again. It wasn't finished because the tutorial was done, so I didn't want to finish. Yeah, different pose, different perspective. And with this portrait, it's kind of a little bit retro portrait from 60s, looks like. And with this drawing, I also had a lot of followers in my TikTok, and I'm very grateful. And I traveled in Dublin, Ireland, and in Dublin I made this drawing, and I still remember it was in May. And I also wanted to add another method, like a plug-in combining with Loomis method. Here also different method, combining method or edit theory, the topography. And this was the theme about painterly drawing, or maybe a drawing which looks like impressionist painting. Some young face, older, a little bit round. Yeah, it was really a lot of experience to me too. I really like this boy. It's about dark flow. This kind of drawings of celebrities I have started from scratch to this state, about 50%, 40%, to show you the Loomis method from the beginning. Was Johnny Depp. Someone asked me to draw eye, to make a tutorial about eye, so I made it. Also, different perspective, looking upward. Brad Pitt. Someone also asked me to explain the nose. This person had a difficulty with the nose. But the best thing is you must draw. You must make your own experience. This is about the cast drawing. And Cillian Murphy is my last drawing. I wanted to make some cinematic portrait drawing, and I chose the scene from the Netflix series Peaky Blinders, and it took a lot of time to make all the atmosphere and the airy effect, and I have used a brush and the graphite powder. Yeah, about the material, I always have used my mechanical pencil, which is 0.5 thickness. And with mechanical pencil, usually you don't draw like this portrait. But I chose this because I'm making a small size of portrait, which must be also very realistic and very, very accurate and detailed. So I found this was very suitable to my occasion. So I sticked with this pencil. And I also have this pencil type eraser. And this is also a thin pencil type from Tombow. It's very useful when you want to correct in small parts. It's really useful. And of course, I always needed a kneaded eraser, which is when I have to choose one eraser to draw pencil portrait, I will choose this one. It's a really randomly you can erase, but also you can form this as a pointed eraser, so you can use this in a small parts too. And also I sometimes need a hard eraser to clean up the background. Thank you so much for watching my sketchbook tour, and I will start with my second sketchbook then soon, and I think I will show you more the Loomis method and the combination method from scratch, more than my process video. I think this is what you guys actually want more. So yeah, I will plan a concept for more various contents for my videos. So thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.